Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing. This time this is a Honor Magic Watch 2. This is a smartwatch which I bought for 9,000 rupees from an Amazon Lightning deal, and it's actually a steal that I got it for 9,000 rupees. The actual product costs around 12,000 rupees. This is a black variant and this is a 46mm. This is how the box looks like. Let's quickly cut through it and let's see what all you have inside the box. As soon as you unpack it, you have the Honor watch, and then you have the Honor branding on the side. This watch is a display size of 1.39 inch AMOLED display, and it is powered by Kirin A1 chip, and it has 4 GB of internal storage. You have the 2 buttons on the side, and it's covered entirely with glass. Let's keep that aside and let's see what all you have inside the box. As soon as you open the box, you are greeted with other set of accessories, and this is your booklet, your manual, which we generally don't need it. Let's keep that aside. And then along with that you have another packet where I believe it should be a data cable, or rather a charging cable for your dock. So it's good quality cable, and it's a USB Type-C, which is really good, seeing that they have provided USB Type-C. And then you have the charging dock itself. Let's quickly open that up. This is how the dock looks like, and you have 2 charging point, and this USB-C gets into it. Let's keep that aside. Let's open the watch. So this particular watch has a water resistant of 50 meters. It's not IP rated, but it's water resistant up to 50 meters. And at the back you have the heart rate sensor as well as the 2 charging points. And then you have information about it. It's made in China and other details. The full body is stainless steel, which is really good. The watch feels pretty light, and this is the entire rubber strap. You get only 1 strap, and those are the charging points that gets connected to charge the watch. And one good thing is that it's magnetized. You don't have to fiddle around. Since it's magnetized, it gets aligned itself. Even if you keep it across, it gets aligned automatically, which is really good. Let's keep that aside. Let's see what you'll have, what else you have inside the box. You have a warranty card, and then you don't have anything else inside the box. So let's keep the box aside. Let's jump inside the watch. So I have other watches with me. That's the Galaxy S3, that's the Gear S3, and this is the Galaxy Watch. So that's the Honor watch, Gear S3, and this is the Galaxy Watch 42mm. Gear S3 is 46mm and the Honor watch is also 46mm. So let's keep the watches aside. Now the reason why I also bought this watch is because I wanted to test this out, and since I've been using these 2 watches, the Samsung watches, I am in a good state of comparing it. So as soon as you turn on, you have the Honor branding. And since it's an AMOLED display, the display is pretty crisp, and you have to choose your language. To connect to your phone, you would need to download the Huawei Health app. The app is available both in App Store, that's the iOS store, as well as the Android Play Store. Let me get the app installed. On the side you have the speaker, and on the other end you have the microphone. You can answer and take calls as well, so that's pretty neat. And it also has the quick release straps, which is good. Let me remove that up. And this particular watch is powered by 455 mAh battery, and it also has GPS as well as GLONASS. Now if you see, this entire glass is covered. There is no raised bezel as such, but here if you see on the Gear S3 as well as the Samsung Galaxy Watch, you have a little bezel that covers your watch to protect your glass, which is good. Let me also remove this strap from the Gear S3. Now, both being stainless steel, I still feel that the Samsung watch is pretty heavy, and whereas the Honor watch is light. But yes, there is a significant difference from the cost as well. This watch is costing you only 12,000, whereas the Gear S3, when I bought it for almost 21 to 22k. So I have powered the watch on. I have also downloaded the app on my Android phone. So these are the watch faces that you get. And this particular watch also has Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth 5.1, and the rated battery usage is 14 days, which is pretty good. And being a smartwatch as well as a fitness band, you have the workout option. You can record your workouts, you have the status, you have heart rate sensor, sleep, and other details. Overall, the interface is pretty smooth. I liked it. It's fast. Now, comparing it between Samsung as well as Honor, I could still vouch for Samsung because Samsung has a better interface, better build quality. But considering the cost difference, Honor watch is on par with the cost difference. But in the market, if you're looking for a new smartwatch, if this is your first smartwatch and if you want to buy the Honor watch, yes, you could certainly give it a try. If you're getting it on its deal, say for like 9,000, 8,000, then that's really a good deal. But if you're going to buy it spending by 12,000 rupees, I think I would suggest you to stretch your budget a little bit. Get the Samsung Galaxy Watch or the Gear S3 if you still, if it's available still. You can also configure your workout, right, running, outdoor run, and other details. And as I mentioned, the display is a AMOLED display, pretty crisp. The colors are punchy, and you have all the settings option on it. Let me wear this watch and I'll show it to you. So after wearing the watch from the top, if you pull down, you get the notification, you have the battery icon, you have the Bluetooth options. And as I mentioned, you could also plug in the earbuds, your Bluetooth earbuds, and install MP3 files on it. Now, this particular watch has a 4 GB internal storage, but the user accessible is only around 2.3 GB, which is less. But yes, you could install a couple of songs and use it when you're running. If you don't have your phone, that's good. And you have to swipe from the left to go to the previous screen. The buttons, the top one goes to the main, and the bottom button takes you to the settings page. You have the sounds, and also this particular watch also has the vibration as well. It has inbuilt vibration motor, which is good. The volume is also good. It's loud, it's clear. Overall, if you ask me whether should you buy this if you're in the market for a new smartwatch, yes, I can recommend, but if you could stretch your budget, I would suggest you to get a Samsung Galaxy Watch or any variant of the Samsung version because it has a good OS experience, but this one actually has a light OS and it's not also an Android Wear app, but that's something that you have to keep in mind. I'll pick up a call now and I'll show it to you at the end of the video. And overall, the watch is smooth and I could certainly recommend buying it. And if you like my channel, do subscribe to it. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or suggestions, do leave it in the comment section below. This is just a quick overview of this watch. It's not an in-depth review. I would like to actually fully use this and then come out with a customized and an explanation of the entire options that you have in this watch with pros and cons. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.